What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another brand new motorized bike video. In this video, I'm just going to be riding simply from the gym and we're just going to talk a little bit. Alright, so many of y'all know if you follow my Instagram and YouTube that I'm actually thinking about selling the bike. Not thinking about it, but I'm actually 100% sure that I want to sell this bike. I listed it on Facebook Marketplace. Today, I'm going to probably be listing it on eBay. Stuff like that, just to get the word out there. But if you do want to buy it and you're interested and you're serious, go ahead and email me. My email is going to be in the description, or just DM me on Instagram. If you do need me to ship the bike, I can ship the bike. That's not a problem. You would just have to pay for shipping. But the reason why I'm selling the bike is that I feel as though I'm too comfortable on this bike. Like, I know this bike, it's like the back of my hand. Like, I know the bike very well. I know how to maneuver it. I know its top speed. The power doesn't scare me anymore. And not necessarily I'm looking for a bike that can do a top speed. I'm looking for more acceleration off the line, but still has a decent amount of top speed, just in case I have to race somebody or something like that. But this bike's been great. It did have a few issues that I feel as though I worked out, cooling issues, but that's all sort of the way. It's all custom, and they don't teach you. I mean, there's no specific guide on, like, okay, you should use this type of coolant. You should try to burp the system, get all the air out, or cause overheating, or the type of proper gaskets to use on this motor, stuff like that. I just had to learn. But like I said, I feel as though I have everything sorted out on this bike now. And yeah, it's not really a challenge anymore. I want to build something else. So I've been looking at shifter carts. Maybe building a shifter cart and maybe take that to go racing here and then. But I have to look at local places where I can actually race that thing if I want to build one. And I can't exactly ride it where I live. Comment below and tell me if I should build a shifter cart, or if you know any areas around like the Maryland area of where I can actually go racing with that thing. Comment below, or tell me if you know anything about it, like engine type, or if I should build it from scratch, or should I just go ahead and buy already pre-assembled one. Do that. Comment below, let me know. I'm not sure why some guys get so pissed at me for riding on a sidewalk. Like, it's not like I'm going like 40, 50 on a sidewalk. I'm doing like biking speeds. Like, are they just mad because I have a motor on the bike or something like that? That's why. But it's technically a bicycle, so comment below. Tell me what y'all think about that, because like, people really get pissed that I ride on the sidewalk. don't know why I love that road so much. Probably because of that tunnel that I passed, but it just felt good just to kind of open this bike up just a little bit and just let it eat. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video. I'm going to let y'all enjoy these beautiful sounds. But peace. Comment below if you have anything to say on any of the topics that I pretty much talked about. And like I said, in the description, it's going to be listed below of the listing of this bike. But if you have any questions, just message me. Please don't forget to share this video, like the video if you did enjoy it, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, see you on the next one.
Perfect.